Beginning a conversation with a new person may seem intimidating, but it is crucial in both personal and professional environments. Knowing how to start and keep a conversation can create new chances and relationships. Whether you're at a networking event, a social gathering, or chatting with a stranger in line at the grocery store. So, here are some of the tips that you can follow to start a conversation with anyone, literally anyone. Step 1. Proximity. Only start conversations with those who are nearby, usually no more than 1 or 2 meters away. This close distance enables communication without raised voices, making interaction feel more authentic. Conversations like this frequently happen in places such as elevators, public transportation, or queues, where the experience or expectation of a common destination provides a basis for starting a conversation. Moreover, the informal atmosphere of these interactions promotes a feeling of friendship, which helps people feel more comfortable interacting with unfamiliar individuals in their daily lives. Step 2. Find common ground. Effective techniques are essential for igniting engaging discussions. Picture 2 coworkers, Alex and Taylor, anticipating the start of a meeting. Alex points out that Taylor is reading The Great Gatsby as he notices the book on their desk. "I adore the writing of Fitzgerald." Alex starts an interesting discussion by discovering mutual interest in literature. Likewise, talking about the present happenings or the surroundings, like commenting on the lovely weather, can spark conversations. Additionally, bringing up common acquaintances or connections, such as finding out they both are familiar with Sarah from the accounting department, can strengthen relationships and enhance conversations. These tactics not just help to initiate conversations, but also set the stage for deep interactions that encourage bonding and friendship. Step 3. Keep eye contact. Maintaining eye contact is more than just a simple gesture. It's a powerful tool for establishing connection and rapport in any interaction. By meeting someone's gaze, you convey attentiveness and interest, signaling that you are fully present and engaged in the conversation. However, it's important to be mindful of cultural differences, as the significance of eye contact can vary across different cultures. Despite these variations, the underlying principle remains the same. Maintaining eye contact fosters a sense of connection and mutual understanding, laying the foundation for meaningful and productive communication. Step 4. Where are you from? To maintain the conversation's momentum, starting with a query about the individual's background can be very captivating. If you live in a varied area, inquiring about their hometown or place of birth can reveal intriguing information about their upbringing and cultural encounters. Nevertheless, if you are in a city where the majority of residents are locals, you can adjust the question to suit the situation. Asking where they live, whether it be in the neighborhood or district, can provide a similar outcome by exploring their city experiences and making the conversation lively and interesting. When talking about where someone is from or where they live, these questions can help you learn more about the person and keep the conversation flowing smoothly. Step 5. Give and take. It's important to either communicate your knowledge or show real interest in the other person's background. Allow me to demonstrate this with a few varied examples. Imagine this. As I wandered through a busy market in Bangkok, I started chatting with a vendor who said he was from Laos. I remarked with interest, "The cultural heritage of Laos, particularly in its food, is very rich. What traditional dish is your favorite?" I shared a small detail about his country's food and asked a question, encouraging him to talk more about his cultural background, strengthening our bond. In the same way, at a networking event in Tokyo, I encountered a software engineer from Brazil who informed me about the growing tech industry in Sao Paulo. Inquisitive, I inquired, "I've been told that Sao Paulo is turning into a hotspot for startups. What is your opinion of the culture of innovation in that place?" By recognizing his knowledge and inviting his point of view, I not only gained new knowledge, but also initiated a meaningful discussion. This method goes beyond collecting data. It involves truly engaging with people and broadening your perspective. Step 6. Invite them out. If things go well and you are interested in the other person, feel free to ask them to hang out. Maybe you can propose to meet at a quaint cafe located in the city center, where you can experience a comfortable environment and engaging discussions while sipping on coffee. On the other hand, think about visiting a picturesque park for a relaxing walk surrounded by the beauty of nature, creating an ideal setting for deep conversations and enjoying time together. Why not try out a fashionable restaurant with your significant other if you both enjoy food, so you can enjoy tasty dishes and experience new flavors together? No matter where you are, select a spot that aligns with your mutual likes and preferences. to ensure a memorable and pleasant experience. The important thing is to establish a welcoming environment where both of you are relaxed, encouraging a bond that could develop into something truly exceptional. Step 7. Remember their name. The next time you see them, simply mentioning their name once in a subtle way can have a big impact. It may be a simple act, but it shows a lot about your focus on details and your care for them as a person. You don't have to go overboard. A simple mention is sufficient to indicate that their name has stayed in your mind. This small gesture can greatly affect them, leaving them pleasantly amazed and impressed by your consideration. They will probably consider, this individual truly recalled my name, strengthening a deeper bond and establishing rapport effortlessly. This is all you need to begin talking with anyone and turn that discussion into a possible friendship. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on improving your communication skills.